or Royal Nick Hotel. For reservations, phrase 0243 192 840. I face 0243 192 852. And I say, obey me, I send email near sales@royalnickhotel.com. Royal Nick Hotel, business and pleasure. Samson near Camo say a name Marina Mall. Valentine promotion so cost den. We shall share from the 7th of February and Yamaya Demo on the 16th. And now we be query and we a wine fair. And our fans so your love live band. And alongside DJ Willie. And then special giveaways. Yeah, net day the 14th of February 2019. And our old school bash. With some giveaways, Cupid Moments near Debecoso. Yami had much now Friday the 15th of February. Now for Marina Jamboree giveaways and Cupid Moments. And also Esha from the 2nd of February and also Bequery on the 16th of February. Tishano so say it's all about LOV at Marina Shopping Mall. Now so about when you get to Miajipa, Marina Shopping Mall, Airport City. Marina Shopping Mall. For the ultimate shopping experience. Your prices need very moderate, so your fafila and twice as a na fe ya mai muso ebreneko. Yep. Sister Sandy be a guy.
Bye, Jerry.
And then ebreneko.
Yeah, because
see I'm born tell.
I am hosting.
Yeah,
it's all about being
I
show you love. I love you, Jerry.
I love you back.
Oh, I want to go on to me all fella listeners. What I mean, me a sexy cry. Was I'm back to guyness.
Yeah, on Jazzy.
Yeah, but we any and what found. You ready? Your boy agenda. Oh boy, meduachi.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, meduachi. Na Jerry wouldn't be being. Kwabna.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, done number one.
Why done here?
Oh yeah, done number one.
Oh, yeah, where should you want it?
What to fear now? Who war? It's eka. Nana was ani sinichani bisha oba mi money din.
Sagio.
Yeah, penache no.
Yeah, we need to.
Why you need to win? Oba for I no nim innocent. On for boni crime so sagay. Yeah, na who feel.
Yeah.
Oh. Ene ona na ene kwabna te ho a shishiwo.
Yes.
Gabru wo. Why ya chichim.
Yes, no. Top pizza.
Almost
Tamuri pa kono top pizza no Orlando ya na skate za ba no no.
We sekuru papa.
It pizza ne kai. When you need.
Shishiwo almost every pizza. Hey, no what you chumari brown private now. Enti kwabna nya tip off pe. E no huri wo. Ba di konti ohuri wo no. Ejuada, me ba beto kwa ko. Adikoti akwabna adane Tarzan. Every war Spider-Man. Every war. Me ba be chem juada. So the on kwada.
Okay.
Na me wo so come ani. Patro the evangelist ade.
Yeah.
Papi as ni tima homa ta kakre. So obi na no a yenim de afri mu ba se beta Friday.
Illuminati.
Asa o kase free ne ton. Papai. Me wanwa. Presa papai obi ba patapa won tafo. Na tafo no be ma na wuo. Anka obema ne yakọ wa onkon ne onkon and never house day we need of fire by force o se patapa wa kwadwa ni kuobi so mo ritualists na o mo de o mo first born
onkon na wani odi hu za
oh I'm saying the whole world Illuminati for a tire no ono na ma contract to Illuminati camp e tell me say o mbeje contract mo fa ne so ntu wonim the evangelist ade say patapa ne manta for ya wa fresh ya ba ko awui patapa de o makwaje rituals na patapa fame papa ben wadu Grammys patapa no akwaje Oscars enti otimi de nta for akwaje ritual straight draw nigga I know yes sir papa no yen kasasa sebi obi be wu a ka bibi nkranhye sem woni sheka ka wanu tum ana baka so de na akwaje sikadro ni ade onyan hia ni mita evangelist ade no onyan hia se na okasa free 7 tono that ko efi ne ton ba na me the toilet rush no because once me may oh kasa am the toilet rush no I didn't know. As what Casaba said, Lisano. What's wrong? J.D. done so, evangelist. And so I evangelism, Juma. Also, I'm a preacher, or the camera business, so I know or chair or cortex for I say. Young idea, sir. But Jerry be any doubt because I join your cortex, young ending.
The best son.
Yep.
So all day
oh my God. Evangelist, we are sorry. My main found Moshi and Twaso and Dokonko. Your monster Mazap Mallet.
Oh, that mallet, yeah. I mean, the entire monster, but I mean, on me two chairman that.
Serious?
Because he's really wet.
Oh, serious man. Or your moi or Mumia Matono. Once and cophobia, so Mumia Mato studio near the near. Okay, the Yamas and Bazap Mallet, Viviani and a wife almost celebrated 26 years.
Wow.
Of marriage.
Wow.
More than 2 years. Marco free. Aboka by a wedding. Area Mabobosia. 2 months. No more say 26 years of marriage. We tap into this lesson.
Beautiful. Yeah.
We tap into it.
Yeah.
Because what happened?
Long ago.
And come to Mo. Obaru worry 2 years. But I mean you feel. Titina Musa. Jem quiet. And really quote my last one. And was na ye maso. Stoneboy signed on his xylophone contract June 2015. 19 money we brass on renew contract ni bi. San send a ninja wo xylophone hono.
Contract dem we.
Wadi wan kan kire ni adia. Eti jawi na fela no ntin 8 ya. Me free ha me de mani kire Shades of Love. Accra City Hotel. Akwabua concert.
And the programs ndo so be ye be ko ni na.
Ti me de me ho na me ko ti makra o bye.
All right, bye. The patron nyame adom a ochina ifie da mboso obaso live. E wo Tinsel Town. What Lashibi Shalom Sports. Yeah, we are post Vows Day, night party, heavy power. So all they are doing.